The letters BRRRR stands for Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance, Repeat. It's a popular real estate investment strategy. Investors use it to build wealth. The strategy lets investors buy and hold properties. They can make money from rental income and build long-term wealth. It's a cycle. It starts with buying a property. Then you improve the property. Next, you can rent it out. Then you can use the rental income to buy more properties. Many investors like this strategy. It allows them to grow their portfolio quickly. Buy first, you need to find a good deal on a property. This could be a house, a duplex, or even a small apartment building. Look for properties in good neighborhoods with potential for appreciation, rehab. After buying, it's time to fix up the property. This might involve cosmetic updates like painting or landscaping. Or it could mean bigger renovations like updating kitchens or bathrooms. Rent. Once the rehab is complete, it's time to find good tenants. You can hire a property manager to help with this. Set a rental price that covers your mortgage and expenses while also providing cash flow. Refinance. After renting for a while, you can refinance the property. With a refinance, you get a new loan. This loan is based on the property's increased value. You can then use the cash from the refinance to buy another property. Let's say you buy a house for $700,000. You spend $100,000 on a rehab. Now the property's worth $800,000. You rent it out for $3,000 per month. After a year, you refinance. The bank gives you a new loan for 80% of the property's value, which is $800,000. You use the extra money from the refinance to buy another property. You repeat the process. The strategy offers several benefits. First, it helps you build a large real estate portfolio quickly. Second, it creates passive income. Third, it offers tax advantages. Fourth, it provides long-term wealth through appreciation. It's a powerful strategy for building wealth through real estate. It takes effort and planning, but it can be a rewarding way to achieve financial freedom.